catch it on fire?
It seized, and then I don't know. I tried to start it a few times, and then I saw that I was smoking, and I was like, oh shit, I shouldn't be smoking anymore. And then so I popped the hood, and I saw a little bit of fire, and I went down there because that lady was down there, but she didn't answer the door. Dude, it started quicker than what I thought it would.
Do you don't have anything in there? The GoPro or nothing?
No, fuck, I got my keys in there.
That's all right, dude.
Yeah, it's
They'll
alright.
be out here in front of
If not, it's supposed to be.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Alright guys, holy fucking shit. This is my daily fucking driver. But it's fucking not anymore. Oh my fucking god. I guess we're gonna come with an update after all this fucking shit goes down.
What's up?
Oh shit, my wallet's being too, dude.
You got any money in there? Go ahead and start pushing. I rolled up here and I was like, there was a massive car. I was like, oh shit, it's on fire!
Yeah, dude. What did you say whenever you pulled up?
I was sitting there, I was like, oh, there's a massive car. Oh shit, it's on fire! I don't know what happened.
What happened? Y'all just driving around and it souped up on you?
No, I was by myself.
Huh?
Feels like my feet are on fire. I was by myself, but I guess it was trying to seize up or something, so I was trying to make the home run quick. And I stopped here. So I popped the hood, and all I saw was like the battery. I ran down there to try to get the lady, but yeah, I called the fire department.
What are you gonna do? You don't care? Max. That's what I was worried about. Like, when I saw it on fire, my heart started pounding, dude. I was like, oh shit, is Max alright? Because I didn't know.
Volkswagen, fuck you. How about that? I know, Liam, I'm on the side of the fucking road. Andre's coming. So are both y'all coming to the gym? I said, dude, if you were here in person,
Was your windshield cracked before?
yeah, it was cracked like just a little tiny crack.
Oh, yeah.
Well, they ain't going anywhere anymore.
That's the way you were.
Yeah. Thank y'all for helping out though. Alright guys, so yeah. Y'all saw the fire. My engine seized. Trying to start it. And this lady that lives at this big ass house right behind us, she had came up beside me and she said, like, way before the fire even started, she said, oh, do you need help? I said, no, I have my friend coming. And then I saw it was smoking way more than it should, and I popped the hood and I saw the battery was on fire, so I booked it to her house, rang the doorbell a lot. Of course she didn't fucking answer, so I called the fire department. They came, and I guess this is what came out of it. Here's the tow truck right now, so I guess we'll go and get it loaded up. But yeah, we're all fine, we're all good. So I guess we'll get this loaded up, get it sent out. I guess that'll be it. Alright, y'all have a good one, guys.
You want to get that bit? I gotta go, son. I can't be cleaning your car up, sir.
Was that guy on the motorcycle alright?
Oh, yeah. Hey, look.
Do you know what happened?
I